Welcome to the channel. If you're learning how to do window tinting on a back windshield on our 2025 RAV4, watch this video. You'll learn a lot of basics and advanced tips to grow your skill set. So we're gonna start off, spray your windshield, grab a clean rag, wipe the glass. Most beginners and people who've been tinting for quite a while believe that this is clean, but you're totally wrong. What you want to do is clean around the glass as well. It doesn't squeak, it ain't clean. In case the film touches here, it is clean. So now we're gonna go ahead and prep and clean the inside of the window. You want to cover this with a towel, so that way whenever the water drips and falls, it lands on the towel and not on the client's car. And then what you want to do is spray the windshield. I got this Pico scrub. Literally just scrub the whole windshield. The reason why I'm scrubbing the windshield and not scraping is because it has defrosters. Now if you scrape the defrosters, you will break them, you will ruin them and damage them, and they will not turn on. And when the client most needs it, then I'm going to turn it on. You're going to have bad visibility when they need it most. So scrub it away, spray it, grab your squeegee. Make sure that you're doing overlapping strokes. Now we're gonna go ahead and wipe the edges. I came back with a new clean towel. Go ahead and wipe the edges just like this. Now we're gonna go ahead and spray it and add the dryer sheet. Spray the windshield with soapy water. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and use this for tack and shrink prep. So you get a heat gun. All right. Okay. It is. Okay. Make sure the heat gun is warmed up. I'm going to start from here. Do a pass. Make sure the fingers are going sideways. Then push it down. Okay, sideways. Push it down. These fingers are going up and down. The moment they're sideways, they're shrunk, and now you can push them up, down. Just like that, they're going sideways, those are ready. We'll push this whole thing down. Okay, look at this. Check that out. Now you can push the whole thing down. So on and so forth. Warm. Single pass. Go again a little above that. Above that. Now we push. Heat up the top a little bit more. Now we're solid. I'm going to put this Icon 800 lumen light in the back. Right here. You can use it. It is a bit difficult to cut around this area, but you need to learn how to cut from right with your right hand, and then also learn how to cut with your left hand, and it'll make it a little bit easier. Or you can sure you do it with your right hand, just like this. Come around here. That's why. Beautiful. Amazing tip, guys. If you guys have a spoiler and you cannot cut behind here, grab a Sharpie, cut what you can, the sides and the bottom, but if you cannot cut the top, that's okay. Sharpie it. If you guys do not have a peel board, I highly recommend you invest in one. There we go. We'll go ahead and connect it from here, just like this. Okay. Before we install it, we want to be able to see from the inside looking out. So I'll just go ahead and spray it. Clean it off with the clean rag. Right before the installation, we're gonna go ahead and spray it and clean it one more time. Applying at all times. So you wanna go ahead and clean this very well and right before installation. Peel it about halfway. I'll lay the backing sheet back on. Like this. Lay it back on. Okay. This. Now we're gonna go ahead and just spray it. You don't want to spray the top too much. When it's raised, the bottom is the top. Okay. This is the bottom. Okay, just like this. Now work your way up. Slide it into place, make sure there's no light gaps. Roll the backing sheet all out and adjust it. I'm gonna go ahead and just make a little square at first in the middle. Now what I recommend you guys doing, if you guys crease it when you're installing, use the back of your hands and squeegee out all of the fingers you can. Everything just like this. Just like this, guys. And again, make sure there's no light gaps. I'm looking over the whole window before I continue squeegeeing. Spray it again. And now you can squeegee all the way through. Just like this. Okay? Squeegee downwards. Make sure you do multiple passes. Now I'm going with an even stronger squeegee. Go ahead and clean the window. I think this is it. Lower the window now.